most important thing you can do right now is sign up for MEXC. You got giving away $9,100. You must use the link in the description to get half price trading fees. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto almost daily. This is a late night stream. About to pass out. It's 5 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm doing this because I love you guys. Real quick, you can go over to cryptorev.net. You want to join the regular CBC spot trading group, the gem picks, learn how to trade. You start here. 60% discount, huge discount. We're about to raise the prices. Leverage trading group is unbelievable. Once you've gotten decent at spot trading, the leverage trading group, just the live trades alone, and I'm going to show you one towards the middle of the video, and you can see like we're calling out the moves and we're nailing the take profit levels, and we're exiting the trades at the perfect time. And so you can join with both of these buttons on cryptorev.net. Just make sure to join the right group. Now, Bitcoin 4-hour chart. We talked about this being some type of rising channel, and it's still holding true. Now, when Bitcoin is bullish, these break higher, and they break higher quickly. But you're supposed to see a 68% chance of a move to the downside. Don't focus on these percentages right now. Right? There's an interesting situation going on with BlackRock funds. And you have to remember the United States Treasury, I got an article on it in 2018. They loaned the United States $1 trillion. $1 trillion. They say there's two companies that own the world, Vanguard and BlackRock funds. Almost $18 trillion assets under management. You give 0.005% or even less than that, Bitcoin easily 3x's, right? So all of a sudden you got $90,000 Bitcoin. Then once it calms down, the altcoins will take off, but we've got a big move coming, and I want you to be ready for it. This is the Bitcoin 8-hour chart, and you can see you've got your low, your high, your higher low, your higher high, your higher low. See how this came back, and then you have this support level, and it came back and back tested it? That's beautiful. Now, you want to see this flip, back test this level, and then punch higher, right? That gives you a lot more confidence in bullish long trades. The most important thing is the Bitcoin 3-day chart gives a really clean example of what's happening. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading groups, and we're just killing it. That's all there is to it. 60% off for the leverage group. This person made 26%, use 6x leverage. This person says this is the best group. This person, leverage group, well worth the money, been in since the start, and you get a lot of support from the team. That's the biggest thing that changes us and differs us from other trading groups is, number one, we care. The only reason I'm here right now at 5:10 a.m. and then I'm waking up for church in about 3 hours is because I wanted to get this information out to you guys, because I care about your success. And that's all there is to it. This person's father made 1.3 million in the bull run of 2020 in the group, and recommended to his son that he join the group, and he is in love. This person had a blur spot position based on yesterday's session call. So we'll do these live streams and you'll see these sessions, and he set his take profit to 10%. He woke up in some nice profits. He paid for the entire group membership already. And that's what we designed this group to be. $6.95 for 6 months, 13 months for $8.95. You'll make the money back in 2 weeks if you're just trading, right? With the leverage group, it's been on fire. Also with the spot trading group, we've been nailing them left and right. This young lady, she hit XRP for 989%, over $1,800. That's a big number. She almost 10x'd her money on one trade. She said she worked so hard for it. XRP over 6 hours, longs, shorts, sub 5x, sub 20x. She said, you were in my head so many times. And that's my goal, is I'm very repetitive. I want you to hear my voice in your trades when you're thinking, do I enter the position now? Do I add to the position now? This person said this would have never happened without you. 989% gains. And that's what we're doing. The leverage group, again, 261%, 246, 258, 100. The bulls, you got these long wicks, long wicks, long wicks, long wicks, long wicks, long wicks, long wicks on the top. And the bears, there's a huge sell wall right here because of this over here and because of this over here. So all the sellers are stacked right here. Now you got a baby golden cross coming on the 3-day. I really like this cross because typically you get this before the golden cross that's coming probably about 5 days later. Okay. So keep in mind that the whales, institutions, they'd love to shake retail out and bring it down here and then bounce and come up for another retest. You don't want to see this thing break down, otherwise exit your positions. But plan A is this thing breaks above 31,800. You're going right up here to 35,000, 40,000, 45,000, period. Baby bullish cross with the 21 crossing over the 200. And then the 50 is about to cross over the 200 probably a week later. But you'll find that this yellow trend line, when it does cross, and I'll show you I'll show you a few occasions where this happened. So see the yellow line, it came up here, it crossed the 200 simple. What happened to the price action? You had a move up really to 14,000. So if we take the measured move of that, you had a 46% move based on that idea. Now, right here, you had the 21 dip below barely the 200 and come up and move higher and then completely take off, right? We're probably setting up for something like this where we don't get full bull mode, but I hope we do. However, just to keep the reality in check, in order to keep things in check, you want to see the price change after the bullish 21 crossed over the 200 simple moving average, and you got 46% gains, and then you got 73% gains, and then you got 172% gains. And this is all from May the 20th to December the 8th. And then up only, mega bull rally. And we're going to get you there. You guys got to sign up for the trading groups. You need to be in the right coins. Excuse me, 171%, 169, 137, 135, 113. We're killing it. We nailed XRP for 100% gains. And this is in the spot group, right? Basically, leverage group, all you do, it's real simple. Leverage group, you click this and you follow the directions. If you want to join the learning group, the gem pick group, the spot group, you go to CBC Trading Group. There are 6 Telegram groups here, and there are 4 here, but these have live streams on them where it's follow the leader. We're going to hold your hand and we're going to tell you exactly what to do in the trade. But we nailed XDB, Matter, TAO, bang it. I want you guys to understand one idea. When we talk about these treasuries and BlackRock being the bond guru that it is, the treasury borrowed $1 trillion from BlackRock funds. Rick Reeder, who oversees BlackRock's $1.7 trillion in bond assets, said you're putting a tremendous amount of issuance into the marketplace. Now, this is from 2018. This is older, but I want you to realize BlackRock funds, you know, they are shooting for this spot Bitcoin ETF to be launched. They've got Coinbase, which our Coinbase trade is up like 33%. And I'm even asking you guys, leave a comment in the comment box. Are you interested in stock trading? Because it's easy compared to trading. I mean, you got, bull market, bear market, which you have that in the stock market, but there's so much more money to be made in the stock market, because when the United States, they printed $1 trillion worth of fiat currency over this month already. And you've seen what the stock market has been doing, up only. Donald Trump reveals his NFT income, crypto holdings in a new disclosure. His company, CIC Digital LLC, received licensing fees for using Trump's image on a collection of NFTs. He also owns Ethereum in a wallet, and he's holding between 250,000 and 500,000 worth of crypto. Let's vote this guy back into office because he's pro crypto. The SEC has been unfair, unjust to the United States, and they just lost a huge lawsuit against XRP, and XRP is on fire right now. Now, this is the ultimate test. So you've got this, we'll call it a cup and handle and rising channel. You could come here, bounce off this lower trend line, and then head back up here and try to get another attempt at a breakout to the upside. But what we don't want to see is a breakdown of this lower trend line, because you're looking at 24,000, 22,000, $20,000 Bitcoin. So if plan A plays out and you get the break of 31,800, you're looking for 35,000. You're looking for 40,000, even 45,000, right? This thing takes off. It's going to drag some alts with it, but people are going to FOMO into Bitcoin right now because it's safe, and there's a very good high likelihood that some of these BlackRock fund and spot Bitcoin ETFs are going to get approved, period. You do not want to get caught on a drawdown where you lose this lower trend line. Otherwise, you're coming down and you're taking losses across the board. This is Bitcoin market cap dominance. And we talked about this exact idea. It was a little bit more zoomed, but this was a double top. It was confirmed. It's come down here. It's resting on the 21. It's not really moving, but what you don't want to see if you're a Bitcoin holder, altcoin connoisseur, you don't want to see this thing come down here and bounce. And then you got the opportunity for a double top where this could break lower, which would be great. The best case scenario right now for altcoins to completely take off and smash this market is for a break to the downside. However, Bitcoin has so much positive news right now with these spot ETFs, and you just have to think Bitcoin takes off, people FOMO into Bitcoin. It's on every single exchange. You go over to the watch list on CoinMarketCap, and you can real quick see that the top gainers are Compound, XRP, SNX, Solana, Stellar, BitDAO. You got OP up about 20% this week. Listen, I can show you right here. So you search here, you go to the announcements. So remember, we had Compound, XRP, SNX, and SOL. So let's just see which setups we posted. Comp, new entry idea. Given the date on this is the 15th. However, on Thursday, we already nailed comp at $69. We already nailed it. Then XRP, you already know we nailed XRP. And then we said XLM will likely follow XRP. And so what did XRP do? XRP essentially doubled in price. XLM and XRP run together. This is the spot trading group, right? So you need to understand this is important. When the full bull run kicks in, the best way to make money is in the regular trading groups. I definitely would email cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com and ask them for a combo deal. We'll get you in both the groups. There's 10 total groups, and we've got people doing live streams, and they're killing it. If you're up 50x, 75x, 100x, you have the ability to share your knowledge on the live streams. And we have a lot of very successful traders that we've trained ourselves. So here's the XRP 1 day reminder. XRP looks a lot stronger than most altcoins. Now, what happened to XRP? We'll scroll here. XRP, perfect timing. News comes out, 72% pump. I think we nailed it for 98%. Spot. You could add leverage to this. You don't have to be in the leverage group, but we're killing it because some people like to have their hand held and walked through all the trades. And the advantage the leverage trading group has is that you're getting all the thought, all the processes, everything you need to know about the trade is constantly being updated and shared in the strategies group. And so it takes the guesswork out of trading. And that's where people are making a ton of money. You have to be very grateful for learning to leverage trade because you'll need leverage trading to make a ton of money in this market. When Bitcoin has its days where it shoots up 15 and 20% and you're long on a big crazy long and you make 1,500% on a trade, which happens, it's going to happen. This is the game changer. You've got to make sure and get in the MEXC trading group where we trade with leverage. You get a live stream and it's buy here, set and take profit here, take profit here, take profit here. You'll see the chart. And then as the leaders who are up 50 or 100x, as the leaders take part in the trade, they're calling, okay, I just took profits here. I just took profits at level, the second take profit level, but Bitcoin is starting to look kind of weak. It might pull back and I'm going to close my trade and we'll wait for the Bitcoin pullback. We're holding your hand, trading this market. And some people That's what they want. It takes the guesswork out of trading. It's the easiest money you're ever going to make in cryptocurrency, period. Right? Pair the bull run with leverage trading and you make a killing, period. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.